Hi, everybody. It's
Hey,
been
Tiggy.
great
I
with
love
all
the
your
progress you've
amazing
been
ladies
making.
this week. Thank you. So I have to say the biggest thing this week has given me is activation and purpose. I don't know if that makes sense what I'm saying, but um, activation because before I was kind of pussyfooting and lollygagging on whether or not I could move forward. I was kind of afraid. And then purpose because I realized that this is what I'm good at. This is what I'm passionate about. So I need to give it all or nothing, and I'm going to give it all. I've seen a lot of posts from all of you wonderful ladies that have already been doing this, and I've been very inspired. I've also learned a lot of lessons, including that I'm staying away from weddings. And I just have to say how grateful I am to have such an amazing group of peers. And I need you to add the word guru to your brand, Miss
Oh
Precious.
yeah,
I meant
I
that when
saw
I
you put
posted
that.
that because it's true. You are a motivational guru for me, at least, in that I found one video and then I was like, oh, I'm going to buy this draping system. And then I went down the rabbit hole and just watching you and learning from you. And I like your style. It works for me. I don't care what anybody else says. It works
Thank you.
perfect for me. So I'm going to stay on board and I'm going to continue to support. And as I said in the group, I hope to stay connected with a lot of you women because you are amazing. And I can't wait to see how we all grow.
Yeah, that's the fun part when you just kind of look back and realize, like how you just said, you were stepping out of fear and now you're kind of activated, and it's just the reason, especially the reason why I keep all my stuff up. I don't care how bad it looks. I'm keeping it up because it just shows where I come from. It shows how I've grown. It shows people, like I have posts from years ago. Trina may have commented on, like, you see those things and like, oh my God. And so it's just like, yeah, I hope you guys stay connected. Definitely hope you guys stay connected, because that's one of the key things to success, is having like-minded individuals that you can bounce things off of. Even us that have great support systems at home, it's just great to be in a creative space with people that know exactly what you're talking about. You don't got to, like, you want to know and try to keep constantly explaining it to a person, because we get each other.